Okay, hello everyone. So hope you're all doing well. All right, so this website is pretty cool. Lorem Picsum, pixum.photos. I'm going to put the link in the description. And similar to Lorem Ipsum, that gives you dummy text. Lorem Picsum gives you dummy images, not dummy images, but they give you sample images that you can use in your project. Provided you follow the copyright instructions below. So the way it works is it's easy to use, stylish placeholders. Just add your desired image size, width, and height after our URL, and you get a random image. So that's the URL pixum.photos, and if you do 200/300, it's going to give you an image that's 200 by 300 pixels wide, right? So if I click on this, for example, it's going to give me an image that's 200 by 300. It's a random image, by the way. If I go back and I click on this, it's going to give me another random image, 200 by 300 in dimensions. So it's pretty cool. To get a square image, you just add the size, right? Because it's the same dimensions all around. So you don't need to type in then like all the other dimensions. 200 is fine. So if you click this, you get a square, and this is another image square. It has some other nice features. You can have a specific image by adding the ID. So if you look at the all of the images here, so I'm going to open this in a new tab by hitting Command click. These are all the images. You can see that each one of them has an ID. So this has an ID of 0. So if we wanted this computer, for example, I can copy this, and the ID is 0, by the way. Paste it here. I just need to replace the ID here, 0, and I'm saying make that computer a 500 by 800 image. So that same computer with an ID of 0, hit enter, and we have the computer, but then it's a 500 by 800 now. So that's pretty nice. If you move on, you can have the same random image each time if you're using this URL on your website. You can add grayscale to it. You can add blur to it. So many nice features with this. There's even advanced usage. You could do cool things with it. You can have a list of images. You can have details about an image you want to use in your project for whatever. If I click on this, it gives me a JSON of details about the image. So there you have it. Lorem Picsum, pixum.photos. I think this is a nice site that you can incorporate in your project. Just make sure that if there are any copyright if there's any copyright info, you just follow that accordingly. So I just wanted to share this website. If you have any questions, post down below. I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Alright then, bye bye.